Welcome to the Moulana Abul Kalam Azad Charitable Educational Trust, MAKACET, located in the vibrant city of Eluru, Andhra Pradesh. For over a decade, MAKACET has been a beacon of educational excellence, nurturing young minds and paving the way for bright futures. Established in 2003, MAKACET's journey began with the foundation of Madrasa Jamia Manbaul Huda, focused on Arabic education. In 2010, the Moulana Abul Kalam Azad Primary School was launched, marking our commitment to providing quality academic education. Through our dedication to excellence in academics, we have continually expanded and upgraded our infrastructure. In 2016, we took a significant step forward by introducing secondary education, and by 2019, we proudly established a junior college. Today, we are on the cusp of a new chapter with our transition to CBSE, an achievement marked by CBSE Inspection Committee's visit on 12 September 2024. During the inspection, our world-class facilities, including well-equipped classrooms, advanced laboratories, a comprehensive library, and dedicated sports areas were carefully evaluated. Our unique offerings like horse riding, kung fu, karate, and specialized services such as special educator, counselor, and a medical room were also thoroughly reviewed, showcasing our commitment to creating a holistic learning environment. At MAKACET, we believe in a balanced educational approach, blending academic excellence with Arabic education. Our students are given the tools to excel in both, fostering their growth into well-rounded individuals who can make meaningful contributions to society. We are deeply grateful to Allah for guiding us on this remarkable journey. We also extend our heartfelt thanks to our generous donors, supportive parents, and the entire community. Their unwavering support empowers us to continue striving for excellence and building a brighter future for our students. Together, we are shaping the leaders of tomorrow and creating a brighter future for all.